Hey folks, today is a great day. Let's give a shout out to Yard Mastery. Check out my new swag that I got. I got a badass tumbler. I got my hat, my shirt. I am decked out, suited up, ready to rock and roll today. Artie Mcyardie, here with another one. Yard Mastery is a small American business that I would like to support in my adventures with my yard life. As a Mcyardie, I am also a lawn care nut. And if you don't know Al Hain, you better look that man up. He is the OG that got me since 2019 when I bought my first home in Jacksonville, Florida. Got me into the whole yard life. And now here I am today to present to you Hydretain. Let's get this done. So I reached out to Al Hain with Yard Mastery, and I got hooked up with some swag, and I got hooked up with a big old bag of Hydretain. This is the granular version. This is the one I was telling you about where it has the same crystals that you find in your baby's diapers. Only difference is it also is mixed in with some poo-poo. So yes, my side yard and backyard smell a bit poo-poo. But you know what? I don't care, because I'm getting this job done. So I'm focusing mostly on the backyard and side yard. That's where I got those thinned out spots, the invading bahia grass and that nut sedge that I sprayed. And then it also weakened the grass a little bit further. So we're getting this Hydretain down right now. We finally got into our quote-unquote rainy season. As you can see, look at those mean clouds out there. So I'm naturally having the water this bad boy in. And yes, whenever you apply Hydretain, make sure you immediately get it watered into the soil. Good 1/2 inch to 1 inch. Alright folks, enjoy the video. And don't forget to subscribe to Artie Mcyardie, because guess what? That actually motivates me to keep making these weekly videos. Just subscribe, like, tell your friends. Let's get this going. Thank you to both Al Hain and to everyone so far that has been supportive and subscribing. You guys are awesome. You're more than awesome. You're motivators, and you give me purpose.